Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss any of the videos we have coming. If you're a subscriber, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the video. Today I got my special guest here, Javier. You can go ahead and follow him at Legendarily Javier's YouTube channel, or you can follow him here with his mommy. Today, we are doing what?
Basically, we're making cookies.
Correct. So we got these really cool Mustache cookie cutters. So, as you can see, because right now we're quarantined, as you guys all are too, and we gotta find a way to keep this time going, the energy positive, the vibes good. So we're gonna eat cookies, and what better way to give positive vibes than to eat cookies, you know what I'm saying? So we cheated a little bit. We didn't bake the cookies from scratch. We just bought these Toll House peanut butter chocolate chip already made. We let them sit on the counter for a little bit so they can get soft. We're gonna roll them out, pat them down, cut them into the mustaches, and
have some fun.
Yeah, and of course have fun. So I'll let Javier preheat the oven to 350. This is his first time doing it, so let's go over here and press bake and put it to 360 with the plus. And press start. So we'll go ahead and preheat the oven and start cutting the cookies out so that we can get started. We'll show y'all what we have. So here's our pan, some wax paper, a spatula, something to press the cookies out with, the cookies, a cutting board, and of course the mustaches.
Woo!
So we'll
Let's
go
just
ahead
get
and
started.
So we'll open these. Just so y'all know, we're taking clean measures and precautions here. We already washed our hands. Just believe us, because we didn't need to do that on camera.
We're not sponsored by Toll House.
We're definitely not sponsored by Toll House, but we should be, right?
Yeah.
Because after this, everyone's gonna want to make mustache cookies, right?
Hopefully they sponsor us.
You hear that, Toll House? Sponsor us. So, I don't know the best way to do this, but...
Oh, those look weird.
So, give me the spatula.
Cutting them out by fours.
You're going to use this to smush it down.
Okay. Right now?
Yeah.
Oh, no. We can, put it together like that, I guess.
So, yeah. Kind of like this. Put the camera down just a little bit.
There we go.
So, wait. Flatten it out.
We should probably put something so it doesn't stick.
Well, they're already really greasy, so we'll just kind of...
I put that right there.
Drag it out. So,
There's
there's mine spread out.
Here's mine.
I'm going to do this mustache.
Ooh, that looks cool. I'm going to do this one.
Okay.
That one looks kind of cool. We should probably
And then
spread this out like that.
go ahead and get
And
this out
spread
of the
this out
way.
more.
You can roll it in the ball after you make your shape. Now. Ooh, look at that. It's beautiful.
Ooh.
Yeah, press harder, look.
There we go. That looks pretty good.
You roll it into a ball.
There we go.
Flatten it out again. There's probably an easy way to do this. We're not professional bakers or anything, so we're just making them do.
I'm just using the ball that I rolled up.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Hey, get off. There. Ah,
What do you think they'll taste like?
pretty good.
Yeah.
Like peanut butter.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'll do this one. No, I'll do this one.
Put it like.
So I don't know what y'all are doing to pass the time, but this is actually fun.
If you guys are off school, tell us in the comments what you're doing on the weekend.
Great idea. We can try some of your ideas.
Because we really have nothing to do but chill out.
Yes. And read.
I don't like reading that much.
Yeah, you do. And do some workbooks.
Oh, no.
Lots of learning.
I should probably get this off and then take off the cookie card. Then it would be easier.
Or if you push it down in there and then pick it up, it should. Oh, yours aren't doing it. It's sticking to the... Here.
That's why I wanted to spray stuff on it so it wouldn't
See,
stick.
then it sticks in there and you can just shake it off. See, look at that. It's perfect. This is going really cute. Let's do a couple more.
You can get that.
Because I don't know if you know this, but I want to have 2 cookies.
I want to have 3.
What?
Yeah.
I thought you cared about calories.
Yeah, I do.
Well, 3 cookies is a lot of calories.
Only like 2 calories.
Let's see. Normally we eat really healthy. So let's...
These
talk
are only
about
80
this.
calories.
So for 1 cookie, it's 11 carbs,
It's not that much.
4 grams of fat, and 1 gram of protein.
Okay.
7 grams of sugar. Actually, for a cookie, that's not that bad. Like,
See, that's why I want 3.
so if you have 3 cookies, you'll have 33 carbs, 12 grams of fat, 3 grams of protein, and 200 something calories. That's not horrible. I can dig it. And we took a walk to go get these cookies, so we burned some calories today.
Not that much.
Hey, we burned some calories
A little bit.
We walked like 3 blocks, bro. Which is a total of 6 blocks because we had to walk there and back.
My legs were hurting.
Yeah, but still. Better than sitting in the house on your tablet, right?
No.
Yes.
I'd
You don't
rather
burn
do
any
homework at the house.
You don't burn any calories doing that.
Is doing a workbook burn
No.
calories? I don't.
It smells so good already. They're not even baking yet. All right.
Okay, I failed.
You need more.
I don't know.
You need more. Roll it in a ball first
Okay.
so you can put it all together. Yeah. Yeah. And then use your cup to smooth it out. It'd be great if we had a rolling pin. So what we'll do is finish shaping our cookies and then we'll come back and put them in the oven and show y'all what they look like when they're all done. Okay, so this is our mustache cookies. We're gonna go ahead and put them in the oven.
Yeah.
Javier, do you want to open the oven for me? Open it. All right, close it. Then we're gonna set the timer for 9 minutes.
That's. Oh.
And we're gonna wait for the cookies.
We'll see when the timer is done.
So I took the cookies out of the oven just a couple seconds before they're ready. Because if you don't know, the secret to cookies is you gotta let them finish baking on top of the oven so they don't get crispy but soft and chewy. I actually learned that when I was pregnant. So that's the timer going off. Are they so pretty? I'm not really sure what happened with this one, but legit. So we've let the cookies cool off. These are so freaking cute. They're soft and they smell good.
Yeah.
Do you want to try one?
Sure. I'll try this one.
I think you made that.
Yeah. It's good. Okay.
Yeah. We did great.
Mhm.
All right.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
Oh, I just broke mine. That's okay. Yeah, these cookies are so soft. So good. I think we did great. Y'all think this was a great idea? Make sure you comment.
And hit that like button.
Yes, subscribe.
Turn those notifications on so you always get notified when a new video is here.
You heard him. Okay. He's a professional YouTuber, in case you guys didn't know. We're going to go ahead and eat some cookies. Have a little glass of milk. Enjoy our day. Hope you guys like this video. Until next time.
See you later. Goodbye.
Bye.